Alright, hello everyone. Today we're going to be making more sparks with the washing machine generator. I believe this is washing machine generator sparks 4. I'm just going to give it a ton of turns and we'll see how big a spark we can get. Right, I think that's about 60 quarter turns or so. Now we'll see how big a spark we get. Oh, that was loud. That was very loud. that was quite a big bang. Not a super impressive spark, but definitely a very loud spark. I'll give it a few more turns anyway. A lot less turns this time. Looks like we got bigger looking sparks, but that was a lot quieter. I wonder if I can just spin it around constantly. No, I can't. It has to go back and forward. Alright, we'll give it another go. See how big we get it. Oh, that was also very, very loud. That would be excruciatingly painful if you were to touch it for very long, at least. I will give it one more go. At last go, I reckon. Alright, just a few turns. See how big it is. Oh, that's a lot of sparks, and it was quite loud. Anyway, that's Sparks 4. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.